Honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my updated pamper routine. Now this is basically my once or twice a month moment to myself. Literally, I should be doing it every single week, like every single Sunday, but I don't have the luxury of doing that because some Sundays, believe it or not, I am actually working. So when I take time off, I ensure that I will relax. I will literally soak in the bath for at least 10 to 15 minutes just to allow my body to do absolutely nothing but soak in. With that said, I actually use bath salts to soak in, and that just allows my body to have that extra detox, to revitalize and to be refreshed right after. So salts basically are detoxifying. They contain minerals, so the body does absorb those salts into the body, and they just allow you to have that extra minerals in your body as well as relax. So I always add my salts in the beginning of my bath when I'm adding my water so that they can actually dissolve. When I get into the bath, there are literally no salt particles that I feel. There's no pokey, nothing like that. I get in and basically my salts are already absorbed into the water. Now, if you've watched my previous pamper routines, you know already I add an oil to all my baths. That's just because I start my moisture routine even before I am out of the bath. I don't allow my skin to dry out from any moisture, and this time I'm using my Portia M Marula Skin Oil, and they've just launched their body wash, so I am trying it out today. It smells absolutely amazing, and that is what I'm adding. It's got so much foam, so much bubbles. Next up, for that extra luxurious bath, I'm adding my rose petals. I actually use organic rose petals, the same ones that we use for our bath salts as Yolz Beauty. I actually use them in my baths while they are still fresh from the roses, just to give it that extra mom time. No boys here, just me, no bothering, no disturbance, and just to feel like I'm at a spa. So that's what I'm adding, and then I am ready to enter my bath. My salts are soaked in, my body wash and bubbles are ready, and my oil is actually not even floating but mixed into my water. So when I get into the bath, I literally just soak for at least 15 minutes. That is all I'm doing, literally just soaking and enjoying my bath. And then y'all, I was raised to take a real bath. So in the bath, what we actually do after all of this soaking is actually wash. I'm not the girl who soaks and then takes a shower. No, I usually actually on a Sunday I take my bath fully in the bath. Okay, so that's literally what I'm doing right here, putting my body wash onto my washcloth, and I'm literally going to bath for the rest of my time in the bath, literally. So I'm not going to teach you how to bath because I'm sure all y'all know exactly what you do in the shower. I am doing it in my bath water. Now, again, it's literally at your discretion whether or not after you've soaked in the bath you jump into the shower. For me, I ain't gonna waste water, and I wasn't raised like that, so I'm literally gonna take my full bath, making sure I'm scrubbing all the areas. The only thing I don't wash in the bath is my face. That is done separately just for hygiene purposes, and my skin. Okay, thereafter I move on to moisturizing my body. So for my stretch marks, I use my Marula Skin Oil, particularly because it is absolutely amazing in reducing the appearance of my stretch marks. So that's what I'm applying right now, especially on those areas. I do the same with my thighs. I don't have any stretch marks on my thighs, but I do have a bit of cellulite, so I do apply that oil specifically there. Then I go ahead and I use my body lotion. Now, I've been using my Portia M body lotion for a while now. Absolutely love it. It is super thick. Even my hubby sometimes steals it, but he's about to actually get the Portia M men body lotion, so thank goodness we are not going to be sharing this anymore. It smells absolutely amazing, so I really apply this all over my body, and then you'll see further on my legs, I actually just mix both of them just to have my legs have that extra glow. You guys, I love a glowing body, especially in the summer. I don't compromise, okay? My body from head to toe needs to be super moisturized, supple, and soft. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just adding on my Portia M lotion on my body after I've added my marula skin oil as well. And then once I'm done, literally that's it. I'm ready to get dressed and start my day. But my body is looking supple, moisturized, and it is super smooth skin. Mwah.